Guys, welcome to Prof Daily Channel, brings you all your hottest news. Uzalo actor Masonja Msiza Nkunzi stole her 18,000 rands. Popular Uzalo actor Masonja Msiza, who acts on as a hard gangster Nkunzi on TV show SABC1 Uzalo, has found himself in real bad life publicity after allegedly conning promoters of 18,000 rands. According to iHarare, has learned that Masonja, together with two other artists, were approached by the event organizers uEsona Masele and Zukisa Robiane. According to a deposit slip which iHarare saw, Masonja charged 20,000 rands as an appearance fee at the event. The event was being held in Dansane Populace Tavern, Eslageni. Of the 20,000 rands, records show that 18,000 rand was paid into Masonja's FNB account, and the balance of 2,000 rands was to be paid at the event. And Nkunzi has confirmed that he knows of the incident but couldn't make it to the event because there was a shoot he had to attend to. He said he sent Kataza on his behalf. He said, "I sent Kataza to go on my behalf because I was busy on that day." Nkunzi denied all allegations leveled against him, saying that he won't speak to journalists. He also didn't bother to say when he will pay back the money due to the event organizer. A fuming Zukisa said that he saw Nkunzi on a poster advertising the Eastern Cape Awards. That is when he decided to approach him for his event. He cancelled a week before the event on the December 7, saying that he has a very big shoot with Uzalo, he cannot make it. I told him to refund us so that we can book another actors and cover up his mess, and that when he told me that Agahlangana Lawo Masimba and I'm the only one who must book those celebs to come to my event. The social media users advised Zugisa to take legal routes or approach the small claims court in order for him to recover his money. This is really bad publicity for umuntu ofana njengoNkunzi ovela kuZalo and has a big role on Uzalo. So I hope he actually fixed this mess. I'm out, guys. Till next time. Love you.